Now, what else I would love to talk about while you're here, TFG, is Brett's bag.
Oh, what's in Brett's bag?
And in fact, what's in it?
Are we going to go from the top?
It's very much a Yokomo themed Brett's bag today.
Is it?
Well, it is, because I saw you take the stuff off the wall just before.
You're ruining the magic of Hollywood. Look what's in here.
It's Yokomo stuff.
It is, and it's not just any Yokomo stuff.
I love the header cards.
It is
How good is it, the header cards?
the Dog Fighter 870C.
If you'd come in
Super
here
Dog
20
Fighter.
years ago,
You'd see the same
you'd see
stuff,
the same
right?
header cards.
Yeah.
How cool is that? So they've, and I've done it, makes the shop look really cool, the product look really cool. So they've done retro header cards for all the parts for the Super Dog Fighter.
So having all the parts now, you don't have to be careful driving your dog fighter around.
Not really.
You can be really loose.
It's a vintage. It's a vintage Riri car that you can actually race and get. It's no different to driving a modern buggy.
Yeah.
It's no.
And that's not necessarily the case with all the other Riris.
No.
You're getting bits for some other things.
Yeah, you try and get parts for a JJ or something, right?
Yeah.
Like it's going to be hard. Probably even shock O-rings and stuff, I imagine, and ball diff components.
Whereas here,
This one, yeah,
they're in the store and they're not as expensive as we originally.
No, I thought, Yokomo is going to get the old price gouge here for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
But the stuff is really reasonable. If you've raced or driven a modern buggy, it's really no different. Look at that, the wheels, the tyres.
How big are they? I like a good pink bit.
You do.
Yeah.
I've heard that about you. Look at the belts.
Yeah.
Hey, and you're not just going to get these off anything else. Arms, really good. Anyway,
Anything you need, it's the bits that you're going to
go to the front one, Beach. That's right. All the bits to break, and there's more bits coming all the time. So I am super pumped about that. Go to the front one, Beach.
Front one.
So that is all I've got in the RC. All I've got. It looks amazing.
Well,
This whole section.
Pretty amazing.
And if you've got a Yokomo Super Dog Fighter,
Drive it hard.
send the dog.
And if you haven't got one,
Get one.
Still a couple left.
There's only a couple left, yeah. And that will be it.